library and we are doing some errands today because tomorrow we're gonna figure it out where we're going to climb. That's cool. So ayan guys, nakuha na namin yung libro. This is area, this is nice. So we were going to go to Google para maglaba na naman. Para bukas wala nang iisipin. We're planning to go for an adventure. Laba. Tayo na ang maglabago, babe. Sweet.
Okay, Tito, let's go.
Okay, dito. Those are my friends. Look at that. Those are my friends. Those bikes. Now I'll stay here. I'll stay here kasi may camera ko. Hindi pwede. But definitely, I have this badge today because you cannot get in. So yeah, nakaupo ako dito. And I've got my, kasi bawal ko sa kanya yung my nuts. Allergies siya dito, so binigay niya sa akin. There you go, my babe. He's bringing coffee. Wow.
It's Marte coffee.
Is it Marte? Look at that, guys. Marte coffee daw. Let me taste it, how Marte it is.
I put honey in it.
You put honey?
Yeah.
It tastes like salty. Tastes like, I don't know. Hi guys! You're hilarious, babe. We're home, guys, and yeah, we got our laundry done. We're going to fold that now, and we have our dinner, the In-N-Out. You guys should know this In-N-Out. That was a long line at the drive-through.
Nobody outside of California knows what it is.
Outside of, oh yeah, it's only for California, by the way. Yes, he got his UX research and user-centered design. Then what's the other one here? And lean UX. And I've got everything about project management. So that's my chicken for today. Sige, tutulungan ko muna yung babe ko mag-fold kasi, you know. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please hit likes and subscribe. Goodbye.